Okay, we are meant to look for x here, so our equation goes like this: x raised to power 2x raised to power 1 over 5 raised to power 1. If we multiply here by negative 1, it's equal to 25, 1 over 25 raised to power negative 1. The same thing, the same one that we multiply here. So this is equal to x raised to power 2x raised to power 1 over 5 and is equal to 25. It's equal to 25 because of this inverse function. So we can rewrite this whole stuff like, say, x is raised to power x raised to power 1 over 5 raised to power 2 is equal to 25. And if we take the square root, these two we cancel out and 25 will turn to 5. So x raised to power x raised to power 1 over 5 is equal to 5. So if we take the ln function, the ln of the both sides, we say s raised to power 1 over 5 ln x is equal to ln 5. Is equal to ln 5, and ln s is equal to s raised to power 1 over 5 dot ln 5. It's just dividing both sides by s raised to power 1 over 5. So if we take, let y equal to ln x, let y equal to ln x, and x will be equal to e raised to power y, because e raised to power y is the same thing as e raised to power ln x, which is x, so that if we do this now, we can say that 1 x raised to power 1 over 5 will then be equal to e raised to power y over 5. Yeah, that is x raised to power 1 over 5. So if we use this and substitute it back to our main equation, we find out that y is equal to e to the power y over 5 dot ln 5. I hope you're getting it. So this is our y. So from here we know that y over ln 5 is equal to e raised to power y over 5 and if we divide both sides by e raised to power y over 5, we get that y over ln 5 dot e raised to power negative y over 5 is equal to 1. And from here we can multiply both sides by saying ln 5, and we find out that y dot e raised to power y over 5 is equal to ln 5. So we want to make the both sides to be equal. Like, we want something that looks like this. We want something that looks like this in our equation. Something that looks like this was here is going to be here, so that we can be able to plug it into the W function, which is Lambert W function. And from this we can multiply here by what? 1 over 5, negative 1 over 5, because that will make both the up and the down the same thing. So if we multiply it, negative, and you know what we do to this side, we do the same thing to this side. So negative 1 over 5 will give us y over 5 e raised to power y over 5, which is going to be equal to negative ln 5 over 5. So this is it. So since it's in this format, we can plug it into our W function, and if we plug it in, we find out that negative y over 5 is equal to W function of what? W function of negative ln 5 over 5. So from here we can say that our y is equal to negative 5 W function of negative ln 5 over 5. Because if we divide both sides, like multiply both sides by 5 and divide both sides by negative 1, this is what it will give us. So if we take our y back, we know that y is equal to ln x. So our ln x is this. So if we take the exponential of both sides, if we raise both sides to the power of e, 5 raised e raised to the power 5 times W function of negative ln 5 over 5. Our x now will be equal to, what? E raised to power 5 W function of negative ln 5 over 5. So this can be our x, but there's an identity function, e raised to power negative a W function of k is equal to k over W function of k raised to power negative a. This is an identity. So using this identity, we can transform our x. X now will be equal to what? Negative ln 5 over 5 divided by W function of negative ln 5/5 everything raised to power negative 5. Yes, so this is our answer.